Welcome to DaddysRoad mobile app installation and setup. This video will help you to link DaddysRoad QR Decal and vehicle tracker to DaddysRoad mobile app. DaddysRoad mobile app is available for Android and iOS smartphones. For initial setup and registration, open the app and enter your name, password. Repeat the password. Email ID and mobile number. Then request for one-time password. An SMS will be received on the given telephone number immediately. You can find this SMS from the messages. Enter the OTP in the DaddysRoad registration screen and click Enter. All login credentials will be sent to the given email ID too. Now, enter your details to go to vehicle registration screen and log in. You will see the welcome screen, and in that two options will be given: Add vehicle and Upload license. Now click on Add vehicle option. First, click a picture of your vehicle and save the image. Then select the type, brand and model. Then keep the registration number of your vehicle. Make sure that you are not making any error while entering the vehicle registration number. Then click to the linked QR Decal. Then scan the QR on your vehicle and link it with our app. Vehicle registration setup is now completed. Now add the vehicle documents. The next step is to link tracking device to the app. Scan the QR on the vehicle tracker which you are going to attach to your registered vehicle. Now the setup is complete. Make sure you add 2 emergency contact numbers also in this app for any emergencies. Thank you.